Little babies love sucking. They do so instinctively. Sucking is a natural, self-calming, and soothing activity for baby. The ideal pacifier will comfort and soothe baby as it aids in the development of the palate and mouth. Introducing Natural Fit Orthodontic Pacifiers from Kiko, part of the advanced feeding and soothing system that grows with baby. Developed with leading orthodontists, all Natural Fit pacifiers are ergonomically designed to support the physiological development of your growing baby's mouth. Tiny ridges and grooves, along with the curved and angled profile, allow for the natural positioning and movement of the tongue. Extra soft silicone promotes the even distribution of pressure across the palate, while the ultra-slim base promotes proper closure of the mouth. A pacifier for every smile. We've developed a range of pacifiers designed to support the development of your baby. The Natural Fit Soft Silicone Orthodontic Pacifier is made of extra soft silicone that is flexible and very comfortable for baby. Perfect for nap time. The one-piece construction of the pacifier features a flexible ergonomic shield with ventilation holes for air circulation. With 3 nipple sizes to choose from, there's a pacifier for each stage in your baby's development. The Natural Fit Deco Orthodontic Pacifier comes in a variety of fashionable colors and designs. The Deco features an orthodontic nipple and an ergonomic shield. The slim profile, combined with large ventilation holes for air circulation, create a comfortable and fashionable pacifier. The Deco is available in 3 sizes, designed for each stage in your growing baby's development. With more than 50 years of baby expertise, our products feed the needs of babies and parents. As the world's favorite baby care brand, we take the happiness of children seriously.